Angela is outside the bathroom. Bruno's sick again. And she's kind of had it with him. She calls into him. "Are you alright, honey?" And he says, "Yeah." And she goes, "Maybe if this isn't for you, you shouldn't go. I can go see the street justice with my friend Penny." And Bruno barks a little bit more, and then he composes himself, comes to the door and says, "Angela, they were burning a man's hand off." And Angela looks at him and she says, "They explained that. They burned his hand off because he put that hand on a fire alarm quite a few times to intimidate and taunt a religious prisoner they were surrounding." And they explained that because you couldn't reach that religious prisoner at 424-229-0911. You don't know if you can reach 911. Angela continues, My sister doesn't know if she'll reach 911 when her child is dying because of what this man does and what the men who censor the phones do. Baby, if you don't have the stomach for making this world a better place, to raise kids, to build a family, then maybe we just don't belong together. And Angela turns and walks away, as she should. I'm John Melton Brady. Yeah, they were playing a fire alarm all day long intentionally. And those who played that fire alarm played with it. Someone should have told them, "Don't touch that. That's hot." Because they will receive severe street justice that is as newsworthy as the censorship of my business post office box, 1151, Santa Monica, California, 90406. As I keep saying, get me, the one and only John Melton Brady, his money, or look for hell on earth. That will be escalating. And the examples seem to be lining up.